Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Are you thinking that we should get netherite?
Yes.
We've been looking for hours. I can't find it anywhere.
Me neither.
We mined a huge area. Wait, how much did we mine?
Well, we mined this 14 by 14 by 5 block area.
Yeah, but how much space is that?
So you want to know the volume of the space we mined? Well, it's a rectangular prism. To find the area of a prism, we multiply base by height.
What space?
The base is the area of one of the bottom and top not rectangular faces. In a rectangular prism, the bases are also rectangles, so any two parallel sides will work. We need to use only one of them, because they are congruent. The area of this side is 14 meters by 14 meters, or 196 square meters.
So now you multiply by the height?
Yeah, 196 square meters times 5 meters equals 980 cubic meters. That's 980 blocks.
What about other shapes?
Cylinders are the same as prisms, base area times height. Pyramids and cones are a little different. The formula is base area times height divided by 3. The base area is, well, the area of the base. In pyramids and cones, except in triangular pyramids, the base is the non-triangular face, usually on the bottom. The area of the base of this pyramid is 4 meters times 6 meters, or 24 square meters. Then we multiply it by the height, which is 6 meters, to get 144. Lastly, we divide by 3. 144 divided by 3 equals 48 cubic meters. This will work for any pyramid or cone.
Cool.
Lastly, spheres. The formula for the volume of a sphere is 4 times pi times the radius cubed, divided by 3.
What does that mean?
It's easier than it sounds. Look, the radius of the sphere is 2 meters. 2 cubed is 8. 4 times 3.14 times 8 is 100.48, and 100.48 divided by 3 is about 33.49. The volume of that sphere is about 33.49 cubic meters.
Oh, okay. But we still can't find netherite anywhere.
Let's keep mining.
Wow. I found it.
Finally, wait, netherite scrap? I need 3 more for 1 ingot?
Yup,